guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike Air Max Bliss. Before we get into it, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. And let's go. So today we've got a look at the new Nike Air Max Bliss, and we've got this in the white metallic silver colorway, and the UK size is 7.5, European 42. It's a women's 10 and a men's 8.5 US. Let's get unboxing, shall we? And here they are. So believe it or not, this is one of Nike's newest Air Max silhouettes that came out in 2022, and it's more geared to the females, women's sports athleisure, but anyone can wear it really. Doesn't really matter what gender you are, and it is pretty dope. It's a throwback to the mid 90s styles in regards to its silhouette and the features, but we'll get into all that nitty-gritty details when we start. So we'll start with the outsole. This outsole is an all rubber outsole. You can see this big green yellow, it's like a highlighter. It's that bang in the middle there, the forefoot with a herringbone traction, so that garners a lot of its traction, support, and its traction grip. Whereas a lot of Nike Air Maxes, they usually have that waffle. I can't really see it here, so it is absent in these Air Maxes. Moving on to the midsole unit. So the midsole unit uses foam. There you can see it, and the main thing that you can see, obviously with it being an Air Max unit, is the big heavy Air Max bag there in the heel, therefore your cushioning and support. Moving on to the uppers. So the upper of the sneaker, it gives me this Air Monarch 96 Air Max 96 vibes in regards to its shape. It's all PU material, so everything that you think is a suede is actually a PU. Right there, synthetic leathers, and the uppers itself, the textile materials that make the meshes, and there's plastics around here. There's at the heel counter there, that's a rubber or it's plastic actually, right there. And just looking at lace systems, so you've got a fast lacing system, round laces. You don't have a choice of another pair of laces, unfortunately. Pillowy soft tongue. Like guys, the cushioning is really soft. You gotta take my word for it before you purchase or anything. Like make sure that you're very comfortable there. The ankle support again is similar to the tongue, very pillow-esque and very soft. Obviously that's there for your support. Looking at the lateral side, so you've got the big Nike swoosh in that metallic silver colorway, and on the medial side you got it stitched on. At the heel, as I mentioned before, in the heel counter you've got a plastic right there that surrounds it, that reinforces the heel, and a pull tab right there for you. Inner, you got synthetic insole with a bit of foam just for your cushioning and support. And that rounds off my review. So again, this is one of Nike's newest silhouettes in regards to Air Maxes, and I'm really excited to try these on. These look and feel very comfortable, so I hope that they are once I put my feet in. So roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend it. You get your true to size Nike fit. I'm a UK size 7.5 when it comes to Nike. My toes are where they need to be, at there. This is really, really comfortable, guys. You're gonna have to take my words. Very cushiony. That's what I love when it comes to a pair of sneakers. You can feel the Air Max bounce as well. Iconic. However, there's one thing. I feel like the heel is just digging into the back side of my foot, or my heel. It's a bit irritating. It's not uncomfortable, but I can just feel it there. But other than that, it's just a great sneaker. Easy to style. I mean, I'm just wearing some jeans you can get anywhere. And yeah, they look really stylish on as well. Very simple, versatile sneaker to add to your collection. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.